Step 1, blending the water and paper strips. For the paper strips, you can rip them by hand, you can make them different colors, and any type of paper works. You can also use a paper shredder, but so as you can see, this is just filling our blender with warm water along with the paper strips. You do need a blender for this. And in terms of the different colors of paper that can make, for example, green, as you see here, this pinkish white, we wanted it more pink, and purple. Step 2 is to add the mixture. You can see it's sort of a fluffy consistency. That's what you're aiming for, with no large chunks of paper floating in there. And so skipping forward a little bit, you're gonna add your seeds in, however many you want, but about a spoonful. This was our entire packet in that case, so you'll add those and stir them in. This next time, as you can see, we experimented with some more color, using pieces of construction paper to give it that green color. So here's us preparing to put it in the bowl where we'll mix the seeds in. This is going to be Cosmo seed paper. A little bit spelled out, but that's okay, not bad. The Cosmo container had lots more seeds, so we made more seed paper with Cosmos. And here's us draining some of the water out so that it's more spreadable. And the time before our first attempt, with the whitish pink, we drained out far too much water and it was really difficult to mold. So this time we decided to not do as much. Doesn't it kind of look like it's peeing there? I think so. Anyways, this is us spreading it out. You can use your hands or utensils. Our favorites were the back of the spoon to spread it out and a knife to get it thinner. We did want it thinner than what we got, but it's fine. It's more like cardboard than paper, and ours weren't really bendable, as you can see here how thick it is, but that's okay. We didn't really need to write on it anyways. You can buy stuff that's really thin so that you can write it on it and then plant it, but we didn't really do that, or we didn't do that. Here's some more of us spreading it out. See how much more moisture is in those? That's kind of what you want to make it easier. This was definitely the hardest part. We wanted it thinner, but it's okay, and we just spent a long time pressing it down. Afterwards, when they started getting more firm, we did put them on a little cookie rack thing. I don't know exactly what they are, but they're sort of net-like pattern, I guess. And we set them on there so that they could dry out and air could circulate better underneath them. By the way, these are on a large sheet of flannel. We thought it would be the best to absorb all the moisture. I don't advise using a sheet you really care about because it might stain a bit if you do colors like we did, but you also definitely don't have to. Here are some zinnia updates. So these are the baby zinnias and the slightly older baby zinnias. Here you can kind of see the seed paper in some places. The rounded leaf plants in the middle there are zinnias as well. And what they look like pretty much currently. Here are some vase arrangements as well if you're interested. And here's the same thing with the Cosmos seed paper, babies, older babies, and everything else after that. They make really pretty flowers.